got something fun to say. I'm gonna quickly put on a song, but because I don't want to just sit here in silence talking to myself. Yeah, this one should be good. I hope you like the song Derp Nugget, because it's the first one that I could think of. I think that works, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna turn it down. Just a little background sound while I work. Yeah, I think everything's working. I had just put in the REI, like roughly enough items compatibility slightly, so that while I work on this, it will actually do something. I am going to be copying my previous code for, if you go to, I did make the GitHub for everbloom dandaloo public, but if you go to the master and then blocks, like source.main, src /main, and then to block, and then power, there's going to be grinder.java, and an entity, there's grinder entity. That is what I'm using to make the shredder. Just saying that out of the bat. Now I just have to figure out where to start, because I don't actually remember. Well, I guess a good place to start would be to just completely remake the file for it. So, I'm going to first open Blockbench, I guess. Just give me a moment. Is that not something I can use? Come on. I'm trying to figure this out real quick. That'll be just a moment. Oh, I guess I can't. Oh well, I'm going to try one more time. Now that I've actually opened something in it. Because I want to show this thing, but it won't let me show it. Actually, is there a way to just show my entire display? I think so. Is this working? Oh, it's too big. Hold on. Move. That's what I'm adding. I will not be keeping that in. Because I can't show my whole screen, like... There's a little roundabout of it, though. It's just a little grinder. And it's going to have power input. But there's not much else to it. So... all I have to do is just take this and put it into... yeah, I just have to move this to the thing. I would show it, but I don't want to show my personal file lists. So, sorry. Oh, thank you. Okay. Now time to see if this worked. If I have done it correctly, it should be in the textures under block as grinder.png. So let me see. So assets, textures, block. There. Okay, that's the PNG though. So I just set that there. And then this should be a little bit easier. Models, then block. Okay. Main, resources, assets. Oop, wrong one. Sorry, this is me just verbalizing everything I'm doing. Assets. Okay, then models. I need reference. So it's models, then block. This would go into. And now time to rename it real quick to Shredder. Okay. Now, if I were to models, block, grinder, it should. Yep. Here's the entirety of the file. Yep, everything's perfect. So now I just have to rename it to Shredder to match the PNG. There. Oh, I just now realized the little pop-ups don't pop up for the OBS. Oh, that's fine. I am sorry. You can't see that. I just hit right-click on it and then rename. Okay, so now I have to register a new block. I just have to remember how to do this. I'm gonna start with its entity, because I know that's what it works with, and how it slightly works from it. So if I go up, block, then new package for Howard, a new Java, Shredder, entity, for which should actually be in its own package of entities. You know what? I'm going to put into a Shredder package. And then to match my bushes up here, I'm going to put in powered EDC power. Oops. Block. For which is just going to use this one for reference, for which uses this. as its extension. There. I'm not going to do anything here yet. Just, I know, yeah, I should actually. I'm going to take that and put it in here just so I don't have to worry about it. Registering power. Wait, is this? Oh, these are in lowercase. No, 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 no. That won't do. That will never do. It must be perfect. It must all be upper. But that does mean now in mod blocks, under its register, I can put EDC power block dot register mod blocks. And then it's all set up already. Don't have a use for this yet, but now I can start putting together the entity. I just have to remember how. So it has a final defaulted list, which is an item stack. Or inventory. I am just copying this from the original thing. I just can't copy paste it though because I don't want something to break. Because I do have to move it to this. 3 item stack dot empty. Yay, first line written. It only took me 12 minutes. So now I just have to figure out how the other things work. Just to make this easier, I'm going to go down here, for which that's where I open that. So I'm going to try and see if I can figure out where the compressor is in the block reborn. So change a mat, iron, block break, block placer, abstract block entity, block breaker, placer, block processing, fission station, pump block. What's a pump block? Polystrobal. Chunk loader, block entity, industrial, centrifuge, matter fabricator, cable block entity, cable tech manager, cable targets, generator, advanced, no. Lighting lamp, I just checked machine and this might be a moment. Cable, generator, lighting, machine. You know what, why am I searching through all this? Like, in the first place. I can go in here. Just find it. So mod loot, mod generator, mod block entities. I know that's not it. Item to increase the chance. Liquid in it. Jeez. What's the TR content? Ah, this is what I'm looking for. I just have to see if it's in here. I don't see it. You're not gonna see. Like, I'm just gonna go directly to the thing and find it. Oh! Wait, this has a data gen. That can tell me everything. Maybe C. I thought I had a data gen. How in the world does this thing work? No, I'm just gonna see you. Oh. This doesn't help. API, cable entity, cable generator, transformer to UI type, blocks, generic machine block. What's generic? Actually, what? Oh no. Wait, why is the Minecraft client running? Okay. Mm-hmm. Found it. Wait. Oh, everything's built in. Oh my. Oh dear me, oh dearie my. Well, that makes this exponentially easier. So I'm going to need config. I don't even know what config is used for. No, I'm not going to worry about it for now. So I can read this at a later time since I don't really need it here. So for Shredder. The machine. Compressor. Generic machine, GUI type compressor. Threads. Okay. I'm gonna work with just this for now. Yoink. You're mine. You go here. I no longer need you. Bow. Create screen handler. Just going to copy this as well. Shredder. Entity. Boink. And then it's a super. Oh my. I just realized I don't actually have an entities class yet. Oh, it's very easy to make. It's just this. Is that a good name? Yes. There. There's all that done. So, what was... I have several things open. So, sorry if I'm not actually talking this entire time. I'm struggling to just figure out how this works. Ah, init. And then... there's a villager? Oh, that actually makes sense now that I think about it. So there's mod, sounds, block entities. So I'm going to yoink this one's register. Yeah, I'm just not gonna work with that. How did I do mod entities before? Oh, that's how. That's how. Should probably get rid of all this, so it doesn't cause problems. I'm going to need a moment just so I can use something. Trying to figure out how registering works. Ah. Got it. I'm just gonna throw things out the wall and see if this works. Because if it doesn't, then it's fine. Registries dot block entity type. Identifier of dandaloo core. Mod ID. Name. Shown. Oh, I forgot to name it. Dot apply. New. Settings. Registry key. Registry key of registries dot lock entity type. Identifier dot of everbloom dandaloo core dot mod ID. Name. Okay, what's the issue? Yeah, that won't work. Oh well. Public, static, final, block entity type. Listen. Yeah, that's how it works. Block entity. Oh no. No, 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 no. Rather. Oh wait, no, it's literally in block entities. I don't need anything more. Which then equals registry dot register registries registries dot block entity type. You go bye bye. Identifier dot of everbloom dandaloo core dot mod ID shredder. There. Fabric. Block entity type builder. Dot create. Shredder entity. Go new. Mod. Oh no. EDC. Oh, I don't have it yet. EDC blocks. Dot shredder. Oh. I just realized I don't know where this thing's block entities, block settings. I don't know, how does this handle it? How does that work? Oh. So I'm just going back to this one's compressor. CTR content under machine. Oh well. Yeah, I'll need the GUI type. Oh. This was not very fun. Well, first I can just, in blocks, ADC block entities, power block entities, ADC, Howard, blocks, which extends, mod, blocks. What in the world? Oh, I don't need this actually. I had completely forgotten that I made that. Just gonna give it an S since there's going to be most definitely more than one network block. Well, I guess back in this, it's EDC, power, blocks. Okay. Oop. Wait, does this? Oh, I don't need this. Okay, I'm confused. I'm just gonna try it. Public enum machines. Implements bucket info. A yoink. I'm gonna worry about that later. So for now it's everbloom dandaloo core GUI type nut shredder. Just gonna yoink this.
public static final UDC GUI type compressor block entity. So this would be shredder entity. Shredder equals register. Half, what's half? Oh. Shredder. Okay. Oh no. Hmm. Where did it go? I lost it. How in the world did I lose it? This is red. You know what? I'm just gonna read it. There's block. Okay, this is the one I need, I think. Oh, I'm very close to time's up. Okay. It's the one that was first. So it's probably this one. I'll figure this out later. Hopefully next time I'll have it.